Are you tired of difficult IP camera installs, dealing with power issues, field of view orientation, and troubleshooting headaches? Now there's a solution. Introducing the battery-powered IP camera test box. This portable powerhouse makes it easier to detect, position, set up, and test cameras before leaving an install site. It features a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, multiple power outputs, and a long-lasting battery that lets you work untethered even in remote locations. Compatible with the Alibi Vigilant IP cameras and third-party cameras, you can use the Alibi Vigilant Mobile Pro 2 app to access all the features. Connect, configure, and troubleshoot with ease, no extra hardware required. Plus, it's a troubleshooting wizard. Diagnose connection problems, provide temporary power, and ensure network connectivity all in one compact device. Make sure to check out my other video that goes into detail on how you can use this device to make installations and troubleshooting easier. Stop struggling with complicated setups. Make your installations faster, easier, and more efficient with the IP camera test box.